a turnkey townhome under 400K in Inspirada. Jeff Mix, homesinspirada.com with Realty One Group. We're out here on Bicentennial, turnkey, plantation shutters, island kitchen, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath, 1577 square feet. Get in and take a look. All right. Nice layout, very open townhome. Plantation shutters. Right on Bicentennial, under 400K, 1577 square feet, granite undermount sink. Has that nice warm white finish on the cabinets. And I like how you have a window here, out. So recessed lighting everywhere. You have a half bath down. So 2-car garage. Paint's really nice. Let's go to bedroom 1. So ceiling fans throughout. Plantation shutters really nice. Tub. All right, upstairs laundry. Nice size too. Vinyl flooring. The primary bedroom. Nice built-ins in the closet. And to the primary bath. So, shower tub combo. Dual sinks. Water closet. All right. So Jeff Mix, homesinspirada.com. If you want to see this property or any other home in Inspirada, let us know. We've got every listing from every brokerage all on our site. Over 50 video tours of properties. Let us know if we can help. Thanks for watching.